by clicking a freaking button. You know what I'm saying? Like, what else can we do?
I was flat yesterday.
What's going on, BP?
What's up, VP?
What's going on?
Let me play on my stuff, and I'm like sitting here talking. Forgot part of my job. Ugh. All right, now we're ready.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jose. How you feeling this morning, sir?
Beautiful day to have a beautiful day. Let's go.
Hey, let's get it. I'm excited. We got news at 9:45 today, so I'm excited to see what. Yeah, S&P Global Comp today. So I want to see how all that plays into the markets moving today. But I'm just simply base hitting it. That's all I'm looking for. That's all I'm doing. Nothing more, nothing less. Can one of you guys talk real quick? I want to make sure.
What's popping?
Oh, yeah. BP, your voice was real deep on the YouTube right there, boy. They're going to think you Barry White or something.
No, I like woke up today and I just like am super stuffy.
That's like me every day, sadly. But I feel you. Because I'm fat, though. So that's my reason. It was so crazy. My workout yesterday, boys, was a great workout. But you worked out when you can't lift your arms to stretch at the end of the workout. Like, he's like, yeah, do it like, let's stretch out that chest. I couldn't even do that right there. I had grabbed like a pole and just twist my body. But we're excited. What's up, Smooth? Good morning, sir. Good morning. Yeah, we're down here at the 240s. And I'm like, I don't know, right? Whenever we get low like this on the 24,000 level, I always feel like it wants to break back into that 23,000s. I don't know, maybe I'm biased just over time at this point. But that's how I feel, right? Because yesterday the market popped up at 7 because of Trump. Are we going to continue down to go back down to where we were yesterday before that news? That was down at 23,815 area. We're going to see. Lucius! What's up, Steve?
What's happening?
Another day in paradise. We're having fun already. We're waiting till 9:45. We got news at 9:45 today, so we're holding and we're waiting.
Anticipating.
We're ready to make some monies. Good morning, Rhonda. Welcome back.
Showing up and showing out.
Trying to. Give it like 2 more minutes and I'll give you where all the stuff's at, so that way.
Well, and then give me 3 minutes and I'll ask you to repeat it. You know how it is.
Sounds about right.
One time I popped on and Carmelo was like, you're gonna have to you're gonna have to repeat everything. I'm like
Yeah, that's why I now wait till like 9:25. You know what I'm saying? Give it a couple extra minutes for people to jump in before I start rambling. I'm feeling like $1 million this morning. I'm not gonna lie. I slept so good last night, which is rare for me to say. Like, I knocked last night.
Oh yeah, well you're going through a big metabolic change.
Yeah. I ate like a rabbit last night for dinner. But
What are you eating for dinner?
my dinner last night was spinach with 6 ounces of meat, and that was it.
I got a 56 on my sleep score.
What's up, Rob? All right, it's officially 9:25. Let's ramble real quick. So we are currently below the VWAP, below the 21 EMA, and below a pivot right now. The 21 EMA is sitting right around the 26850 level on the 2-minute chart. The VWAP, same chart, 2-minute chart, 346.75 for the VWAP. Then we got the pivot point at 312. 312 for the pivot. We have the close from yesterday sitting there at 400 for the close for yesterday. We popped up last night briefly. We went all the way up there to 507.25. Then we started coming back down. So let's see if we got a pivot below us. We do have a pivot below us, all the way down there at 860. So quite a bit of space down there. Let's look for pivots above us. That's crazy. So we literally have a pivot all the way up there at 851. 24,851. And then a pivot below us, 23,860. So we're going to see what we get here. I'm excited, though. I'm honestly excited because we get another opportunity to make some money. Waiting for our setups, waiting for our moves, and we simply execute. No FOMO. No greed today. We're just waiting for our A+ setups to execute. Yeah, we have news at 9:45. News at 9:45 is the S&P Global Comp PMI at 8:45. Not 8, 9:45. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm excited to be hands off till 9:45 a day.
At a higher level in another time zone. The news is 8:45. Yeah. Where BB in the house?
BP's up in here.
I know he had his 56 sleep score and he went back to bed.
Well, yeah. I don't know. I don't track my sleep. I know last night I woke up in the same position I laid down in.
Hey, that means you slept good. You didn't flip. You didn't turn.
Like, all right, ate breakfast already for the day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I had, what would that be? Six eggs, like technically 4 egg whites, 2 eggs, and toast. I made an egg sandwich, and it was delicious. Then after the stream, I'll do a protein shake with greens and a banana, all that jazz. Then we just keep it moving.
Yep, that's it.
I did weigh myself last night. I'm like, oh no, I don't like this already. That's what I told myself. I gained like 6 pounds. Oh, I don't like this whatsoever.
Well, no, when you're starting out and you're doing HIIT and you're like moving around, your body is going to put on a little bit extra weight because it's actually going to hold on some water to protect your joints and things.
Yeah.
But you know that. You know it all.
I didn't know that, but I just want to go down, Steve. I don't want going up. I want only going down. That's my issue.
Temporary. Don't turn into that. You know, like, and this is. I'm not criticizing women because women rock. But if you ever train like a woman, I just want to weigh what I weigh in high school, and it's like, well, that's an arbitrary number. It's like you're getting into like a shape. Like if you're in the best shape of your life and you're cut and all that stuff, nobody's gonna say, Duane, step on that damn scale.
True, you ain't lying.
That's the thing. That's the same with women. They're like, oh, I want to.
20 seconds. 20 seconds for market open. Wasn't trying to cut y'all, Steve. Just giving everybody the heads up. Market's getting ready to open.
You gotta
I'd
tell
like-
Smooth saying that protein's expensive, but that's why like I have flocks, man. I got so many eggs that are all like natural, that are like goldenrod yolks. I can't even stand it.
Holy nothing! It didn't even do nothing. Market's open, but we're still sitting here.
Wait, we
I
got a
want-
20-point
Oh, I'm
spread.
on the freaking wrong chart.
Holy! Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. Never mind.
Yeah.
Disregard.
It's a
Disregard.
20-point spread, man. Whoa, there's that. We went 4-6, man. All right.
Let's make some monies.
Yes, sir.
Well, it looks like
Uh,
on the 5 we may be getting a little bear flag. That was been watching. Possibly. But honestly, I would not be taking any trades till after 9:45 after that news comes out.
So the only thing that I see that's messed up with the current correlation is that the NQ is the only one that hasn't taken Asia session. Otherwise, ES and the Dow have already taken Asia.
Okay.
So
For the lows or the highs?
lows.
Okay.
I'm looking at why I have the ES and NQ, so I saw that.
Yeah, that if it doesn't want to catch back up, then it might form like that bullish SMT.
Got this pivot above us. VWAP's above us as well right now. Two solid things to pull that market. I'll just sit here and clean these glasses. You know what I'm saying? Keep my hands off the mouse. Keep my hands on the off the mouse. So I don't accidentally click a button. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that ever happens to you.
Accidentally on purpose.
Yeah, news at 9:45, 6:45 for you, Tim. Since you over there on the West Coast, Vegas.
I was
What?
reading this one thing. It was like an article, and the guy was talking about his trading, and he's like, I wake up, I trade, and then I watch the sunrise. I'm like, oh, okay, he's West Coast. So like, but for a second, it was like, what's going on here?
Yeah, it's gonna be weird. Well, not weird. I'm kind of excited because when I'm in Portugal, I'll be trading at 2:30 their time. You know what I'm saying? So it'll be 9:30 for y'all, but it's 2:30 for me. So I'm already going through my day. I've already eaten. I've already played with the kids. Where it's gonna be relaxing, make our money, and continue with the rest of the day. I am slightly annoyed though. I am slightly annoyed. One of the villas that we were looking at getting, someone booked. And it hurt my feelings. I'm not gonna lie, it hurt my feelings.
You get the next one that you like, because I know you got 7 of them picked out.
Well, that's the whole thing. I don't stay looking at the Airbnb stuff all the time. And I was waiting until April really figure out which one we want to book, everything like that. But all the ones have been like booked up.
Well, probably because people are coming in, even if they're booking like 4 or 5 days, and you want to have that stretch. So you better get on it, bro.
Well, her sister, since she lives out there, one of her peoples rents out their house as an Airbnb. We're just taking that one. And we just called it because I'm like, if we don't just say yes, we don't want to end up not having a place. It's only like 10 minutes from her sister's house, so.
The good news is they found a place. The bad news is a tiny house.
It's not tiny.
Can I make my jokes? Can I have the mic? Thank you.
No, you cannot have the mic, sir. Nope. Good morning, Niner. No. Like when you're dealing with your kids, hey, don't do that. How you doing today? Yeah, it's been great. You know what I'm saying? Like one of those.
I'm gonna set an order at 250. I don't care.
No, don't. For a buyer or sell?
For a buy. We'll see if it comes back. If it wants to mitigate some of this area down here before it like keeps going up, then it'll go in my favor. But if it wants to catch back up and take out Asia low, I'll get creamed.
Well, this is what I'm seeing right there, that flaggy flag. So if we break above the yellow line, above the pivot point with follow through, I'll be taking the long because we got that VWAP sitting right up there above us. VWAP's currently sitting at 33975. So it's one of those things for me. I wouldn't be looking for a short unless we get below the 21 EMA. But that's just me. That's just me. Who am I? I'm some random dude on the internet. This is entertainment purposes only. All right, there we go.
Going out of 250, it heard the master. The colonel is on deck.
The colonel's on deck.
I'm trying to monitor like the overall like higher time frame, and it's like I do want to see maybe like some kind of manipulation from open, be able to like take this higher to take out like all the engineered like leftover highs we left, and then like start pushing for like London high or something. That would be ideal, but there's still a chance that it doesn't want to do that, and it's just gonna go catch up and take Asia low, and then it's gonna keep correlating.
Well, on that 5 minute, right? Looking at the 5 minute for me, if I squint my eyes, turn my head to the left just slightly, I can see a flag right there, possibly. But the Bears really had to step in and really drop this. News at 9:45. News at 9:45, boys. So ladies, let's be careful. Let's wait for that news. Because you have to scan it or whatever. Oh, you're in, BP? You're in?
Yeah, I got tagged.
Oh, you're in for a buy too, bro. Listen.
Honestly, I mean, I'm only risking like 150 on this trade, so if it does get smoked, then it's unfortunate, but I'm trying to bet on the reversal, and catching this bottom is risky.
Listen, we come to that yellow line, bro. We're coming down.
I believe you.
We go down to that yellow line on that 5 minute. We'll be continuing down. But thankfully, I don't have to worry about that right now because it's not 9:45, so I can't even trade yet. We got some buying pressure on that candle, so that may save my dog BP. It may save my dog, you know what I'm saying?
We'll see
But
what happens here. I probably low key. Just the first reaction was kind of nice, but now this is flipping.
It's feeling kind of heavy. Just looking at those Renkos, you know what I'm saying? Looking at those Renkos, I feel like it's kind of heavy.
Yeah, it's looking heavy. It's like real close to the stop.
Do not touch BP stop. Do not market touch his stop. Go ahead, pop up real quick. Let the bull step in just briefly. Put a little wick there and then roller coaster down.
Just get out for break even and then just reevaluate, because I do want to believe in this reversal, but at the same time, it is just risky.
Yeah, that's what popped up on me. So we have selling pressure on that 2 minute, which is good if you're looking for a short, bad if you're looking for a long right now. Let's see what we get. We're below this 21 EMA.
I'm getting ready to kill this just because ES went and came and like took out these highs already, and the YM is failing.
I would yeah, you do what you need, bro. You do what you need. You know, like if you could get out break even, I would, because on that 2 minute we just printed a bear flag as well.
Oh, I got spiked. It's all good.
You got spiked, so you're out.
Yeah.
He has a dog named Spike.
Oh, I wasn't sure. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't sure.
No, we're good. Yeah, I see the trade against it, and yeah.
And we're touching my yellow line on the 5 minute. Oh, Nellies. That would have been a beautiful bear flag on the 2-minute if you were looking for a flag play. Oh, yeah. I was like, oh, I can't use this. Yes, it is. All right, we got 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the news to come out for the S&P. 5 more minutes for the S&P to come out. That should potentially move the markets. I just want to get through it so that way I can actually trade.
All right, there's Asia low taken. It caught up.
Thank God it was being a slow poke this morning. For everyone that's new in here, welcome to the morning session with the Legacy Wealth Society market makers and myself, where we do this Monday through Friday with y'all. And man, that bear flag would have been pay-ins. Oh man. Like, that's the one thing, me waiting the first 15, slightly annoying sometimes. Because when you see that perfect flag and you're, ooh, look at that. And then you just have to watch it happen. It's like, dang. Wish I was there for it.
There's a guy that I know. It's called Duane. Well, I call him something different sometimes, but I can't do it on the. I made an agreement. Can't use his other name. I had to relearn my language. But he says that the market and flags always repeat themselves.
That they do. And look at this freaking. Yeah, we coming down. That 23,000 is going to get touched today. Man, this is annoying. I would have been done. Your boy would have been done. Let's see if we get another flag here. We got 3 more minutes for the news here. 3 more minutes. No FOMO here. No FOMO here. I saw the play. It happened. So guess what? That gives me confidence for the next one. Go ahead, Niner. Go ahead. What's the peanut gallery laughing back here for? What are you laughing at? I'm always dealing with my traders. What do you spend? You supposed to be set up an Apple Watch. Unbelievable. It'd be your own people.
Is she going to be co-hosting today? She could probably tell you what's what.
Nice, Rhonda. Glad you caught that short. Niner, good job on the 428, bro. Love to see it. Smooth, no reason to be mad, right? Let it give you confidence for the next move. Morning, Steven. Like, let it give you confidence for the next move. That's what I do. I'm like, hey, if I couldn't take it because of one of the rules I set for myself to protect me, keyword to protect me, not to hurt me, then it's okay. The next time I see another flag, I'll take it without hesitation. Look at that buying pressure on that 5 minute though. I'm not really a big fan of that right now, but let's see how that works out, everything like that. Because what I don't want to happen, since we did come down, we made new lows, everything like that. I don't want us to end up starting to build like a little bull flag to pop us back up slightly. No. It was. Oh, move your phone away. You don't have. Yeah. Love your channel with the like-minded traders and their strategies. Niner, appreciate you, bro. Peanut Gallery, what you laughing at? Like, yo, my girl's just sitting behind me just laughing today. Like, acting like I'm a joke. Little does she know, I ain't Kevin Hart. You know what I'm saying? This is crazy.
Hey, no, she's like your hype person. She's like, yeah, boy. Like, when they're like, Duane is kicking ass, she's like, yeah.
No, she motivated me last night though. I was ready to take eat some beef jerky late last night, you know what I'm saying? Because your boy was hungry since I'm eating like literally nothing right now. And she took a photo of me while in a towel. And she's like, does this guy look like he needs beef jerky? That's what she hit me with. That's what she hit me with, boys. It be your own freaking people. Does this guy look like he needs beef jerky? That's why she's laughing so hard right now. A year and like 8 months now. Five of those months I was building my strategy. So if we go through that yellow line, news should have just came out for the S&P. I didn't really see any pops or anything like that. I was laughing too hard over here with the peanut gallery. Not you guys behind me. That's the peanut gallery. Man, 100%, bro. This is the best thing anybody could ever do for themselves. All right, the 15-minute range is completed. The range is now completed as well. The low of that range, 137.75, 137.75. The high of that range, 317.50, 317.50 there. Now we patiently wait. Since the move already happened, I just got cleared to trade. I could not take that slight little weird looking bull flag. Let's see if we tap that 21 and reject to come back down. If not, I may be looking for a long here. You never know. No.
And that's the thing, man. Money's money. Doesn't matter if you made it shorting or going long.
Well, as long as you just. Well, as long as you. No, don't do that. I know. No. I'll figure that one out.
Well, that's what I was telling you the other day, though. When you went there, I'm like, 20 calories.
Look at that waterfall.
Huh?
Got him.
Wow. VIP room it is. Playing with me like that, Carmona. Craziness, bro. Like, that's wild. That's wild. That's like putting Krispy Kreme donuts in front of a fat person. You just don't do that. You know what's going to happen.
No beef jerky, damn it.
That's what Brenda said last night. She said, does this guy look like he needed beef jerky? Does he look like he needed? Nah, he don't need no jerky. He needed to take it by the bed. Come on, get in bed, big boy.
Somehow I doubt her voice sounded like that. That'd be really weird if it did.
All right, looking like we're getting. This is going. I feel like this may be trying to do a bear flag.
Like on the 2 minute. Oh shoot, there it goes.
Yeah. But I'm waiting for my yellow line.
It could be waiting for the chop zone.
Waiting for us to clear my yellow line there. If we have follow through, I'll take it. Huh? What? Oh, no, I don't care. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. We're at my yellow line. I want to see follow through here. Come on. Close it right there. Quick $200. First trade of the day. It may keep going. I just don't like how those Renkos are dancing a little bit. I'm not a fan of the dance. Are you still laughing?
So I
He's
never
gonna take a picture of you. Say, can you imagine that guy dancing?
I'm just messing with her. She never comes up here while I'm trading.
Well, she did. She saved your bacon a couple of days when she got the stuff like turned on the stream.
That she did. The day it crashed?
No, respect, man. It's like having that coverage.
No, 100%. 100%.
Look, you're gonna have to deal with the rest of your day, Jack. You better like give her like a little bit of props.
Oh, I always give her props.
Okay, where are we going now, Doctor? Did you move your line? Let me see. No, you didn't.
Love you too, baby. Okay. Okay. Thank you, baby. Come on, Betsy. Oh, it's like right there too.
Yo, guys, I just want to say I'm blind. And
You're
that
blind? That's not good.
That loss I took could have 100% been avoided.
Well, no, BP. I mean, I just want to say something. Like, usually you seem more measured than that. Like you were a little loopy from your sleep number or something.
You're probably not wrong. You're probably not wrong.
But, either that or you drank like a mimosa before you came on. It was like, fuck it. And that doesn't seem like. Or wait, for our non-cussing people, gosh golly, I don't care. Then,
Gosh golly, I don't care. I'm just rotating. Like right now, I'm not getting the movement I want, but I'm currently up for the day still. I'm just base hitting it. New Jersey's in the house. What's up? It honestly just varies, bro. Depends on what the market's doing. Will determine how much I'm willing to risk.
And that's like a huge thing that you taught me, because if you start putting numbers in your head and saying, I need to do X or need to make X by X, then you're putting like extra strain, but you just go with opportunities and then you nail it. And you know what I mean? Or you back off.
Yep.
Like overnight has been being very strange lately. It's like it's kind of meandering. So
Okay.
I backed off some of my stuff because I'm not just going to throw it in to say, hey, I took a trade and it didn't do well.
Yeah. Yeah, like there's no reason to risk it. Like I didn't get the full follow throughs I wanted. So I closed them early. You know what I'm saying? Look, if I hadn't, I'd be in drawdown right now because the bull's trying to push it back up. Like there's no reason to be in drawdown if you're already in the green. Just close it, wait for the next move. If I was looking for a buy, Niner, I would probably be waiting until we get out for a buy. For me, I would either want to build a flag right here and take us higher or get above the middle of the 15-minute range. Rob, you're actually blind? That's not... Sorry to hear that, bro. Let's move this line out the way.
Like BP though, because BP is like he's like got an incredible eye for the market.
That he does.
I appreciate it all. Not today though.
Well, look,
Don't follow him today.
He's a dumpster fire today, but as part of being family, like I forgive you, brother.
Thank you.
Before the stream, he said, "Go all in on GameStop." That's how I knew that he was like a mess.
Yeah, he didn't sleep well last night. You know what I'm saying? So who's up? Who's down? Who's all around?
I made like a little bit. Like I'm not like actually blowing my mind. I've jumped in a couple times, got green, but it's chopping. I feel like it's going sideways too much. It's like, you know, like a wedding. Everybody's doing electric slide.
Yeah. Up 550. Good job, Rob. Yeah, right now, not liking the action right now. I didn't like the action yesterday. Not really feeling the action right now either. Is this going to be our bull flag? We got selling pressure though. Hey, good job, Warrior. Glad to see y'all winning.
I've got a possible like 1 minute 6 tap here, but
Well, hello. All right. Well, that was $1,000 right there.
dang.
550.
I don't like that. I do not like that though. I do not like that.
Listen, that was like 550 for me too. So
Like, I don't like that. Like, hey, people, oh my gosh, you made 1,000. No, I'm not that guy. That aggravates me so much right there.
he wants to make 2,000,
No, it's not that I want to make 2,000.
3,000.
A milli.
No, I don't want none of that. I just want the market moving like a wave, like the ups, the downs. Not just, I don't like that.
It's
All right.
It's 2 minutes till 10 o'clock, so everybody pay attention to that.
Yeah, it is 2 minutes to 10 o'clock. Thank you, Steve. Smooth, don't worry. I'm pissed too about that. Just straight nonsense.
I'm a little bit like, if I make it, I make it. I don't get mad, but it kind of gives me pause. But you know, if I come out on the upside of a trade, I'm not gonna put bad juju on it.
Yeah, I'm not putting bad juju on it. I just like.
Jive ass took it, don't know anyhow.
Hey, go ahead, Yaz. What firm? What firm did you pass them with? Congratulations on getting 3 funded accounts. Still got some buying pressure here. We're below the 21 EMA right now.
Let me ask you what your EMA is, because it's about 10 off earlier.
EMA is like 212.50, 212.50.
Okay, so mine's at Ninja Trader 2 minute 225.37.
I have a sell order at 2:30. We'll see what happens.
Oh no, he's coming through again. Oh my goodness.
Please, this is for entertainment purposes only. Do not listen to voices you hear on this stream. Please do not listen to the voices you hear on this stream, including mine. Like, don't listen to none of us.
Yeah, the trade I'm going for, I'm trying to base it off of like a liquidity sweep and then an immediate rejection. It might kind of feed deeper into my stop because there's a liquidity pool that's like halfway in my stop. But
Here comes
hoping
10.
to just tap that liquidity and try to come down.
There's 10 o'clock, and we're just inching closer and closer to the middle of the 15-minute range, somewhere where we don't want to diddle in the middle.
Well, that tagged me in.
And you're in for a short?
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nellies.
Okay, this is like opposite day. Like if BP comes on everybody and says, "I'm going short," you
Go long.
Yep.
So we pass through the middle of that 15-minute range. I would love to see a structure of a bull flag get printed. That's just me personally. But who am I, right? Like the market listens to me. I'm just a guy on YouTube.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag. BP, you take your profit yet?
No, I got tagged in at 2:30, so I'm
Oh, I thought you got tagged in like at like 260 or up in that area.
I was literally thinking about setting my order at 247, which would have been a good idea.
Okay, well, okay. We got this. We got this.
We're overall bearish. I'm trying to hopefully catch with trend, but if it's literally going to be the reversal against me, then F me today.
Well, we're coming down to the middle of this 15-minute range. As soon as you see green, bro, I recommend taking it. That's just me personally. Because green's green at the end of the day. Because we have to get through the 21 EMA. Okay, there we go, through the 21. Thought we were going to get a little bit more resistance from that 21 there, but we did not. We got that selling pressure on that 5-minute candle as well. But this is the area I would expect if we're going to be building a bull flag. This is going to be the structure of it right here to take us higher. We're sitting right at the middle of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we get some good old momentum here so I can jump in.
Just so you guys know, if Duane tells you to get out, you should definitely listen, because I did not.
BP, bro. Come on,
You know,
man.
but he's like, you know that Spider-Man meme where there's like two Spider-Man staring at each other? This is like the alternate universe or BP. No, I'm just kidding, BP. You have all my respect in the world, man.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's my deal today.
Because next time you come up with something, just go do the opposite.
Duane would like to see a flag. I jumped in. I thought we were going to start to push on this potential flag that I saw forming. But I may actually just close out. Even if it does play, I'll re-enter. I'm not liking how the wrinkles are dancing right now. Let's see if we get it.
I closed out for like $10.
Hey, green is green, sir. Green is green.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go against the flag plays. Not today. Today's the day I listen, actually.
Yeah, right.
Damn, it came right up to your line. It's just like, yep.
Yeah, and it didn't want to go through it. Yeah, not liking these Rincos right now. Come on, Betsy. Is this going to be the push? Give me the push. I've been waiting. I've been in this trade way too long here. I've been in the way too long here for this to pay off.
Between us, because we've known each other a while, I'm amazed you're not holding the wall at this point.
Listen, I almost had to. Not going to lie.
But it's showing great self-control. At this point, I think the wall deserves at least a pass.
Sorry, I can't look at the chat right now. I'm trying to see if I'm going to just close this trade or is it actually finally going to push for me? If I see any green, I'm just closing this bad boy.
Could be there. Could be there.
He was kidding.
No, he's holding it.
Any green, watch this.
It says we've got a pretty decent pool of liquidity at like 290. Be nice to see that get hit.
Come on, Betsy.
He's holding. We got the next liquidity pool at 280, and then the next one's at 290.
We got that VWAP up there as well. Closed it. Let's rotate.
Yeah, I was gonna say 9 seconds on the 2-minute candle.
Let's rotate. Now I'm trade some Apex accounts. Let me get my copy trader set up for real quick. Hey, let's go. Let's go, Warrior. Good job. Good job. Niner, have a good day, bro. I would expect us to build another flag, and luckily this time we're above. We are above the middle of the 15-minute range, so it'll be a little bit easier. I had jumped in on that last trade right below the 15, which I normally never do, below that middle of the 15-minute range. So I had to deal with a little bit, had to stay in the trade a little bit longer than I would normally want, but it is what it is.
Needed some of that chop.
Let's see if we build another flaggy flag. And your boy will get right back in on it. I would like to see us get some like good structure though. That's just me.
I'm going to take this next bull flag and I'm going to try to go for that 290 since it's still there.
Okay. Where are you watching the momentum, sir? Or are you just doing the flag play no momentum?
Flag play your momentum.
I was asking for a friend, just confirming, just confirming.
He watches your trigger finger. When it starts getting itchy, then he knows to go in.
Oh man, I was about to buy, too late.
Just got stopped out with the built-in stop on the Apex account. Slightly annoyed. I got greedy there. Let me rotate to my other ones. That's Agginess. Agginess. Well, good thing I went to the bathroom. And watch, now we're gonna. Now I'm a hold and wait. I'm a hold and wait because I'm targeting that VWAP above us. Coming right back down to the middle of the 15-minute range in that 21 right there. Tapping those. No. Yeah, I feel like we may get through this 21 here and just start waterfalling slightly. There's a 21 tab. Okay, I did not get so confused, but okay. So that was 1280 right there on multiple accounts.
Whoa. Congrats, man. That was actually really sick.
So that was on, I don't know how one of my accounts I did $2,600 in it. Okay. Whatever works, I guess.
Must have been lagging to get that fill.
This is my favorite part of it. He's like, okay, this one got 1,200. This
How-
one got 1,200. This one got 1,100. This one got $43. And this
I-
one got like,
I don't know how I feel about that right now. I do not know how I feel about that. Where I close at 1280, but in some of the accounts I got 1260, 2600 in multiple accounts.
hey, that's a good problem to have, right?
No, bro, but
More
that
than
could,
one.
I think about what if it went the opposite way? You know what I'm saying? That's how I think. So I got stopped out at 1040 on 4 accounts today. I was copy trading them. Then in 6 of my Apex accounts, I did. See, this makes 0 sense, right? So I have how many accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I copy traded 7 accounts on that one. Oh, okay. Oops, my bad. Copy traded more accounts than I thought I was. Well, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 6 accounts. Yeah. So on 6 accounts, I have my leader account only made 1280. Then all my other accounts made more than the leader account.
Probably because that one got tagged in last. Like, it just got that latency.
Like,
So
I'll put.
you just basically made like $15,000 and you're still like talking about it. Why aren't you doing your victory dance?
You right, Steve. You right. Do I want to take any more trades? It's only 10:15. I may be done trading. Yeah, I'll just hang out with y'all.
We know how that goes.
So right now I have multiple accounts that I need less than like, well, maybe I'll just, should I? Nah, I'll do it tomorrow.
Hey, where are you at in your mind, BP?
Honestly,
That's looking like a bear flag on the 2.
it
Bear
is.
flag on the 2.
Yeah.
Come down.
I see the bear flag on the 2. I was just asking the colonel.
The colonel wants to take a bear flag play. I just need Duane to capitalize on it first. And then
Wait, why are you like pushing me into the battlefield first, standing behind me? So if I get killed, you're protect. That's crazy.
That way we can get your beef jerky.
Don't touch my beef jerky now.
Need your rations.
And of course, right where I put my yellow line, the bull stepped in right there. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, I'm gonna wait because I just switched back over to this Lucid account, funded account. We're gonna see if I can put a little bit more dollars in, just a little bit, nothing crazy. But I'm definitely gonna wait on this because it has to be an A++ setup for me to take another trade on this account today. Since it is already set up for a payout, I'm just trying to add less than like $400 in it so I could take out at least a $1,500 payout from it.
Playing a dangerous game.
No, I'm just if a move is there, I'll take it. If not, no loss. You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm just. This is called camaraderie. This is just like giving you talking smack.
Listen, I don't need you talking smack and my girl talking smack. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can only take one of y'all.
You got 2 ears, don't you?
No, I got one. You didn't know? Because it goes in one ear and comes out the other. So it's a one way.
You're technical. That was funny. I was like, you called, and it's like my dad called. It's like, oh yeah. You're a popular guy.
Sometimes. That's debatable. That's debatable. So we're currently above the middle of the 15-minute range here. I'm not taking another trade in this area because the last time I did, I was in a trade way longer than I wanted to.
Oh yeah, I see your previous setup here.
So I'm just honestly going to wait for us to build structure of a flag so that way I can execute. It's only 10:19. I'm green for the day, even getting stopped on 4 accounts at $1,000 a piece. Crazy to say that. And I'm still green. Yeah, I want to see what we do here. Because it's like 50-50. It's either we're going to push or we're going to drop. But I want us to get below that 21 EMA to make me feel a little bit better for a potential short. Because anything above it, I'm looking at that VWAP above us. That VWAP's up there at 298.50, 298.75 actually for the VWAP. And looking at that previous candle on the 5, it's like I do not want to short into that previous candle buying wick. You know what I'm saying? Like,
No, sir. No
that's
way.
bad for business. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. So make sure you guys come vibe up with us tonight. Last night, we had a solid stream. We had like over 50-something people in the stream, concurrent, over close to like 3,000 views last night. So if y'all missing these Hangouts, y'all missing out because we answer a lot of your questions and we just vibe with like-minded individuals. I think today with my train, we're doing back today. Oh, Nellies. My chest and arms are still sore from yesterday. I can only imagine what we're doing today.
You did push yesterday. You're gonna do pull now. That's
Yep.
great. Oh yes.
Excited. Excited. Not really, but anyways.
I'm within in terms of like dumbbell rows. I'm within 15 pounds of my all-time PR on that.
Nice. Get it, bro. Get it. I gotta figure out how. I gotta reach out to Mighty because I want you guys to be able to post like videos and stuff as well. Because I don't know why it's not allowing you guys to post videos.
Yeah.
But I want for whoever wants to post like some of their workouts, I want you guys to be able to.
Yeah.
All right, we're below the 21 EMA.
I'm in the short. Let's go. I'm up like 300. I'm up 400.
Done. There's that payout. Payout's done. Right there. Done.
Let's go. This stupid red day where I kept making mistakes. I finally turned green.
Let's go, BP. Get it, bro. Get it.
Let's go. Yo, Loki though. Yeah, that was pretty bad. I got chopped up like 3 times, man. I was like, this is the last trade I'm taking, or I'm done for the day.
Well,
And look,
I
it worked for you.
I saw that move, but I wanted to clear that previous like 5-minute wick.
I decided I was gonna make the riskiest decision, and I was like, this looks like a freaking 1-minute AMD setup, and I'm just gonna go for it. And then I'm just gonna aim for this liquidity pool down here.
No, I mean you made money and I didn't, so respect to you. But I was just saying I saw it, but I was like, okay.
I 100% expected to lose that trade. I know that sounds really bad, but I was like, this is like.
What did you eat this morning? Did you eat the beef jerky? Because you're all over the damn place.
Dude, I probably did eat some bad beef jerky.
Well. Hey, take that $50, bro. Green is green, fam. Green is green.
Oh, I made it to being 65 up for the day.
Hey, let's go. Okay, the dashboard hasn't updated yet. Because this would be my first payout with Lucid. Popping that cherry a day, boys. We popping that cherry a day.
Yes, sir. How much is the payout?
Once this updates, I can take 50% of the account balance. So I'm just over $3,000 now. So I'll do a $1,500 payout.
You gotta let us know if it happens in 5 minutes, like everyone always claims, where it's like in your account 5 minutes.
Well, listen, if it's that quick, honestly, like I'm not leaving Tradeify because I love Tradeify, but I will make Lucid a higher priority if it's that fast.
There he is.
The Mooser. Whoa. Hold up. We got so many people on the market maker stream today, and some of y'all came in here not saying the year. So there's one. I need some more euros from everyone that snuck on in here. What's up, Brad, Sylvester, Silky Silk, aka Mitch? How we feeling, boys?
So guys,
Are we doing good today?
I could be doing better.
Okay.
Doing great. Everybody's doing great. Everybody woke up today, right? We're good.
Hey, another day in paradise, boys. Another day in paradise.
I woke up above ground. That's all I can say.
Thank you, Pastor Moose. You got another.
Pastor Moose.
Woke up. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. I walked away. Say it again.
No, I just said thank you, Pastor Moose, because you're like everybody woke up today, right?
I hope they're awake and alive on the stream as they're already on the Zoom call. Like,
This
Life
is
is
a
beautiful,
live
man.
stream, not a dead stream.
what's up, Jay? Welcome.
I know. I've been MIA. I've been busy, man. Sorry.
No, don't go apologize for kicking ass.
Hey man, that's that trader lifestyle, right?
I would not get over. Don't go long yet for me personally, because looking at that 2 minute, that's looking like it's building another bear flag. So don't get faked out by that quick little push up on the Rincos. It's looking like a bear flag to me.
Bear with me on this one.
Yeah, bear with us. Bear with us, boys. I dropped like $700 yesterday on tires for my truck. Agginess.
No
You
worries.
got the flat tire, right?
Yeah, bro.
Was it sidewall damage?
What was that?
Was it sidewall damage?
The sidewall cracked.
Yo, my bad. I didn't mean to cut you off, G.
No, that's Mooser.
No, my bad. I mean, when I say G, I mean like gangsta.
Yo, dog.
He was trying to say something. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so the sidewall cracked.
Keeps the money in play.
Yeah, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Trust me, it does keep the bills away. All right, so we pushed up a little bit stronger. We got a stronger pole now. So since we have a stronger pole, now I'll look for the bull flag. I always look for strong poles that we build the flag off of. So maybe we get some structure and then we push. We're right above the middle of the 15-minute range. My follow through will have to be past the previous candle wick because we got selling pressure in that area right there.
Price still has not took that 290. It'd be nice to see us like start displacing up to that, make a new high or something. If we don't get rejected right here on this sweep of a new high.
Jeez. What day was that? That's weird. Okay. I'm surprised the dashboard has not updated yet. With Lucid.
Situation I had yesterday. I went and bought a brand new, not a brand new rack. I went and bought a rack.
I thought you were going to say you bought a raccoon.
You know, they're actually very smart pets. Very smart pets. But, I went and bought a rack, and I have from 5 to 110 pound dumbbells. I went and I started putting my heaviest dumbbells on it first. And not paying attention, I didn't realize the rack wasn't strong enough. Thank God, when it fell, if some of them fell on the back of my leg and on my foot, but I didn't break a bone. But I'm like, God damn it, I spent all this money for nothing. I can't even use the rack.
Yeah,
well,
that's annoying.
My big handles won't go on the top of the rack because it's just like it's too topsy-turvy and the rack is heavy duty enough, but
Yeah, so I got.
Glad you're not injured.
I know, but it's like he's not injured and he has a new indoor pond in his house where it like, knocked out a low spot on his floor.
My gym is pretty hooked up now. I feel good.
But with the smashed rack is what brought it into play. Look at this pile of.
Yeah.
What's this market trying to do?
So
Nothing at
how's
all.
everybody on today? Did anybody take anything?
Oh, yeah. Your boy made that smoney's, bro.
Nice.
We over here printing, okay?
Nice.
We
Man was
print.
taking all risk, no confirmation.
Who?
I said over here, your boy was taking nothing but risk, no confirmation.
Yeah, so pretty much today moves. If BP says go long, go short.
Yeah, fact.
If he says go short, go long.
Oh man. Oh man.
To be fair though, I actually did get stopped out of some of my positions, and then the move happened.
And then the move happened. He's like, and then the move happened.
If we're gonna use that
little early,
excuse,
a little early on entries today.
He was like, and then the
everybody,
move happened. Like, shit.
everybody could say that one. Well, 10 minutes later, actually paid off.
Yeah, I can say that too because I got stopped out on 4 because I was copy trading with Apex. I got stopped out on 4 accounts at their $1,000 daily loss limit. So the move did happen after I got stopped out. So technically I was right still.
The bias was correct. The entry was a little early.
Yeah, if we stay below this 21, this is going to be another bear flag.
Oh, it's happening.
I just don't like how close we are to that 21. D-Boy, we're using Ninja Trader and Tradeovate. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good night, wherever you're tuning in from. Welcome. Let's see if I get a play here.
I can lie, today's low-key kind of choppy.
Dwayne, do you have anything going on this week? Or do you want to keep Saturday?
Besides being great,
Oh God.
we let's keep Saturday because after I've been working out, your boy's been done.
Yeah, his hair follicles are hurt if you cut them.
So how did it go? Tell us. How did it go with the trainer?
It's been really good. Yesterday was my second day with him. Today's my third day.
Nice.
What the fuck?
I could not feel my arms yesterday.
Does he have you repenting your sins?
Pretty much. Yeah, it's going. I noticed I'm gonna be sitting in my car for at least like 20 minutes after the session,
Nice.
so I could like gather myself to drive back home because it's like a 34-minute drive back to the house. So I take that time to reflect of all my fat sins.
Nice. It's
You know what?
working.
What was that?
So you know what is extremely unfair?
Oh,
NQ's the only market that's chopping right now. All the other ones are pumping.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if that's the case, NQ will catch up eventually.
Hopefully.
But are we going to be there for it?
Probably not.
ES is like on Camarillo pivot there, like the S1. Like has that liquidity right there, right around it, and the VWAP.
D-Boy, if you want a link, you would need, if you're not trying to trade personal funds, you need a prop firm. So Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Apex, they all use Tradeovate and Ninja Trader. And then that'll give you the credentials to be able to log in. If you want a link to Tradeify, Nightbot's been posting it in the chat. Yeah, I'm sure it will post it soon, actually, since it hasn't done it recently. Riddle plug in Canada, welcome. We're too close to the middle of this 15-minute range for me to want to do anything. Like, I want to put more money in this account, but I'm not going to risk it for the biscuit if it ain't there.
Yeah, I'd like to see NQ, like stop lagging behind and start pushing higher.
And then it does that weird little chop right there. No, thank you. Not today, Satan. I'm just gonna sit back. I'm green for the day. I already hit over $1,000 a day to keep the bills away. So I'm just gonna sit here and just wait. Yeah, see, that makes 0 sense right there. Going down to my yellow line. There it goes. Oh, get the. That's crazy. I closed out. I made $95. I'm done. I'm done.
Were you long or short?
I was short. I closed out at 245 profit. Got $95 off of it. That's my cue to call it a day on with this account. Yeah, and we're still we're going sideways right now too. So honestly, I'm hands off at this point. Let me add up how much we made today. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think we should do that, right?
I'm currently down a solid 700 on the day.
Well, that's not too crazy. That's fixable.
Got that, man. Was it like 3 trades or like 1 trade?
I'd say 2 winning trades and
I put my stuff on the chart so you can see I'm not finessing or lying. You can see on the vertical, horizontal actually.
the 50-50 split. Apparently those losing trades were bigger apparently, so.
Got 1 account you didn't rotate through.
Yeah, I ain't touching it either. Don't tempt me with a good time, BP.
Long now. Longs now. That'd be funny. Oh, that's actually really, really good, man. Oh my gosh.
So that's goddamn 15 grand. That's 50. This is honestly my biggest day. But let me take off what I lost.
You say you made 15 grand?
I'm green 15.
Hey guys, I think Duane said dinner on him at Ruth Chris.
And after I take out the 4 accounts I got stopped out on, 10,834.32.
I think Duane said that he'd trade for us.
No. I did not say that.
We'll copy trade all of our accounts.
You know what?
Riddle, you could Tradeify, take profit, and lose it in Canada.
I have to create an AI that thinks just like trade for all of us.
Listen, what I really want, maybe me and BP could come together because he's smarter than me, believe it or not. No, I want to build an indicator for the Renko bars. So I want to build an indicator for the Renko bars that will show you or say, or just something that pops on your chart when to jump in, when to get out. Where it'll be going off of just the momentum. Because I feel like that would be a game changer for a lot of people. Because that's all I'm watching.
Shit, long really did play out.
Not really. We're in the middle of this range just shopping.
If you zoom out and look, it's just sideways action.
Yep. And hey, for 2 days back to back where the market has not been moving properly, yesterday, how much? like 4 grand yesterday. Today, 15 grand green. After I take out the 4 grand red, still a solid day. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Pretty good.
Yo, yeah, for real though, for such a choppy day, you like absolutely destroyed. And like you did it on the correlated asset that was doing like the poorest today. Because if you go look at YM and at the ES, they're like trending like a lot more smoothly.
okay. Yeah, honestly, once I get I have a dream build I want to put all right here, right? Where I'll have screens on screens, everything like that. Where that's when I'll have like other things pulled up just to see how other markets are doing. Because right now, since I'm so just on these 2 computers right here, laptops, I might hyper focus only on the NQ.
Yeah.
Me on this iPad.
Riddle, I would do Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trade. All 3 are solid. Tradeify, it's a prop firm. Actually, let me go to their website to make sure. I'm pretty sure it's allowed, but I'll double check just for you, sir.
Are you checking?
Yeah, you can trade Tradeify in Canada. Just double check for you. Make sure you use code LWS. That will get you over 30% off on any account that they got. I recommend the select accounts over the growth and instant funded. Let's see if my Lucid updated yet. Hey, let's go. I got it 3,024 in that account. So I will definitely take $1,500 out.
So
I'm gonna have to-
based off your analysis, what we thinking? What direction we heading?
Are you talking?
We're
Okay.
definitely still chopping. The last thing that I was looking at was I was fixated on this range that we had on the YM, and then I just expected the momentum to play out at some point on like the NQ and ES. But if you go either look at the ES and mark out like basically this range that formed from 1021 to 1023, that was kind of like that range we were sitting in, and so we had inducement that was put in at just like that first swing that left the zone, and then we left, came back to take it, and then it just, whenever I said longs, we were sweeping it, and then it came up to make the new high after.
I'm gonna have to verify my identification for a payout from Lucid. We'll get that done after the stream. Give me that monies. And then I'll do probably a payout with Tradeify later this week as well. I'll probably do the same thing. I'll probably do a $1,500 payout with Tradeify as well. So a $3,000 payout week, not too shabby. I want the max payouts, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just take the money. Call it a day. Or do I? Oh, now I'm tempted, right? Or do I just continue to add to that Lucid account and the Tradeify account so I could take out, like, I need less than $1,000 on the Lucid to take a 2K payout. I'll wait to see how the market is moving tomorrow if I take a payout or not. If not, I'll take the payout live on stream tomorrow.
Do it on the stream for the ones in the back of the class that say that baby steps. What is it? That the baby steps are not $500.
All right.
Something along the lines that he said.
If the market's not moving tomorrow, I'll just take the payout live tomorrow morning with y'all. That'll be fun.
The $500 is not a base hit.
Listen, base hits are all I do.
No, I know. I heard of somebody that said the base hits are not $500.
Who said that?
$150.
A base hit is whatever amount of money you can consistently do each and every day without even thinking about it. That's what a base hit is. Ooh, what is this? Alrighty. Be careful, folks.
Something just happened. Was there a tweet? Something about Iran?
No clue, but I'm here for it. I'm getting off at 11, so if something else want to pop off, your boy will definitely add to the funded select account. 3 trades longest was 25 seconds. Hey, green is green, bro. I don't care how long you in a trade or how short you're in. As long as you making money, that's all that matters.
That earlier trade, you weren't micro scalping. I know that.
Definitely not. That's the one thing I will say about Lucid. Their micro scalp rules 5 seconds. So I would never have an issue of micro scalping with them because all my trades are over 5 seconds at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is chopping and chops. These accounts take too long to make what accounts, Motion? Because they're all the same, bro.
Terrible. This is nothing but chop.
Like, you can't trade chop. Well, you can. I did it today, believe it or not. But trading chop is so much harder. We like the ups. We like the downs. We don't like sideways doing the quick little chops. That's never good. Hey, 822 Warrior. Good job, bro. Good freaking job. I love to see you guys win in the chats. I love to see my market makers printing money with me as well. I love it because it gives me more motivation. My brother won today too.
Good.
Today was his first day back trading.
Who was it? Cameron or Chandler?
It was Cameron. Let me call him real quick.
One of these days, I want to catch up with him so he trades overnight some to see like if you guys like what his feelings are.
And of course, he don't answer while I'm on stream. This is crazy.
Because he heard I wanted to talk to him.
Telephone number 407-848-9972. Can't take your call now. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, simply hang up or press pound for further options.
Baby boys, your big bro. Congrats on winning today. Happy that you're back in the markets. I'm recording this live. Just want to say I'm proud of you. And hit me later so we can talk about your success you had today in the markets. Congratulations, brother. Have a good day. He's working right now. Hey, take your bases, bro. Huh? I gave out his number. No, I didn't. Don't play with me, Warrior. I almost fell for that too. Oh, God. Wait, did I give out his number? Oh, God. Oops.
Remember when we first started this stream and it'd be like, hey, what's Moose's number? And you're like, oh, I I gotta message it to you, because we're online. Oh yeah.
Oops. Oh well. Leave my brother alone. We may build a bear flag. Oh, the voicemail? Got it. I wasn't paying attention.
Back in the day, I used to give the Pizza Hut number as my number if I didn't want the person to have it.
Look at this 5-minute chart. Look how sideways that was going. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And then we do a random pop again. Yeah, be careful, folks. What in the world? I'm so confused.
Go on X and see if there's something there, man. It's gotta be.
What the? Why are we getting 100-point candles?
I'm here for it. Like, listen, I got 8 more minutes. I'm not seeing anything. Trump hasn't posted anything. That I just looked. Let me do this. Let me jump on my over here as well. We broke out of the 15-minute range aggressively. Right back down to the VWAP. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Waiting for this TV to come back. The show. See if any... This is crazy. Be careful. Make sure you got a stop loss on, because this thing is chopping.
I understand it.
What is it?
Tell us, BP. Tell us, Cap.
It's the manipulation that happened on the Dow and the NQ. So basically, the NQ is the one that made it a lower low. So it's more bearish structure, meaning that that's the reason why today this asset has had the least amount of volume. And then ES and the YM both made either equal lows or higher lows. So that's different, and that's bullish S&T. And it's been a really slow delivery, but the YM, which was the one that was the strongest asset today, has been just printing nothing but green 15-minute candles.
Look at this pump. Oh, yo, this is taking everything for me not to jump in.
You trade us them, you monster.
Nah, I want the monies.
Oh, well.
In case everybody's wondering, we're only down 180 now, so that's good.
Yeah!
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
That's what I like to hear, man. Yeah, today was a W recovery day as well. I was down like 3R today, and I barely made it to like half an R up.
All right, we're above the pivot.
I followed that pullback that we just had in that last candle. I was like, it's gonna go back down just for a little slight retracement, so I hopped in, and I was like, oh, thank God.
Yeah. Ugh, look at the pullback. Oh God, this is the volatility I love. Don't do it to me. Don't do it.
We'll exit the room for you.
Like, this is the type of movement I get excited for right here, believe it or not. I know that's crazy to say. I love fast up and down movement. I'm able to get in and out that much cleaner.
You just wrote a rap song.
We also had a rarity.
That shit was funny. I don't care who you are. That shit was funny. I mean, like, that was fucking perfection. All right.
We're above the VWAP. Breathe, Duane. Just breathe. Just breathe, bro. I know you're excited. I know. Here comes that pivot tap. We didn't tap it there. Got close to tapping it. Let's see if we build structure right here. Breaking out that 15-minute range again. First target I would have would be 407. 407 would be my first target here. We got all the selling pressure. And we got 11 o'clock approaching as well. Ooh, Nellies. Oh man.
No, I'm too tempted.
Who's calling me?
I can't. I'm too
What it do, bro? What it do? You're live on the stream with me. How you doing today, sir?
Oh, dang. I'm live with the Legacy fam?
You live with everybody? Yes, sir.
Dang. Good morning, Legacy.
Everybody.
Well, happy that you got back in the markets finally, bro.
No, it took a little bit, you know, but I'm back and I'm better. So.
Hey, glad to see you.
Basics.
Base hit.
Basics.
There you already talking dirty, bro. Base hits all day long. Today was only a 15K day.
Hey, 15K keeps the bills away, right?
That'll keep 15 bills away since $1,000 keeps the bills away each day. So we kept away 15 bills a day.
Those are some expensive bills.
That's what I'm saying.
But yeah,
So I was doing those numbers.
happy for you, sir. I should be taking a payout with Lucid tomorrow morning live. First payout with them.
Okay. The prices are nice on those accounts.
That they are. That they are.
I don't know about y'all, but I ended up.
But let me know how that payout.
Because I was too tempted to get into longs.
Yeah. No, I'll let you know. That's why I was going to do it live tomorrow, so I can talk to everybody. Look at the chop back down. Oh my goodness! Be careful, folks. This market is crazy. It's like when your ex baby mama comes looking for the kid. You know what I'm saying?
Big no.
Wait,
I
I
would have
don't
got
relate.
Craziness.
If he ever comes.
She ever?
Are you about to get the famous 10 tap mom?
But all right, fam. Let me get back. I'm done trading, but I may take another trade on one of my fundings here. So how this market's volatile. So
Both over here.
I should be done too. I'm up way too much money. You know, I'm like, just in case we'll see. You know what I'm saying?
This is craziness, bro. Right back up. Look at that.
Oh
All right,
my,
sounds
no
good, man.
way.
You as well, brother. Have a good one.
This is madness.
This is ultimate chop fest of seek and destroy activity.
I love seeking and destroying. I don't know.
Absolutely.
Sorry to hear that, Rob. Sorry to hear that. I would highly recommend using a stop loss right now.
Shoot,
Just
my
saying.
boss would not save you on that one. That would have been you would have
Yeah,
gone
it would
still
just
like,
be like-
negative.
Bro, it's gonna
Yeah,
blow
just
through
be
that
like-
stop loss and it's gonna register like the last number you see. She's like $1,000 and it's gonna show up in your account saying that.
For real, it's gonna show negative 1,000, then it's gonna show negative like 400, but you got filled at negative 1,000.
Facts.
Yeah.
And you're
And
gonna
your
be
heart
like,
just
oh wait, it was
beating out
just
your
negative
chest.
400. You're like, it's just negative 400. You check negative 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, honestly, I'm like, I want to touch the market right now because of how fast it's moving. But it's not clean fast. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. if you're trading on TradingView and this kind of stuff happens and you're trying to move your stop loss to a point of safety and you try to hit confirm so it actually registers, but the market's moving too fast for you to hit confirm and it takes your original stop loss out. I'll speak from experience, but you know, that's a big gap to fill and yeah, it's kind of petrifying.
My favorite is like when you enter the trade and then it's like it hits the stop loss before you even register. You entered the trade. Okay, done.
Yeah, I've done that a couple times where it's like coming down real quick because I have an order down there.
Yeah, and it's like
to have
it's like the $300 mouse click. Oh, thank you. Here's my money.
If we get above this pivot, I may go long above the pivot.
Talk dirty to us, Duane. What's gonna happen?
Anything's possible right now.
He's been energized. He's quickened. He's back at it.
I was relaxing. I was getting some anxiety clicks out the way. Like,
He just bought 14 cases of water on eBay. Okay, come back to us.
Come back to us. Yeah, this thing. Ooh wees. We're right here at the VWAP. Travis, I know it's 11, bro. I know. But when the market is moving, you know what I'm saying? Like the way you like it, these days don't happen often. So I'm just waiting to see if we get an A++ setup. It has to be an A++ setup for me to want to take it. I have to have an A++ setup for me to jump in at this point. Since I am up for the day, has to be an A++ setup.
Would have been nice if my indicator would.
Cool, bro. Travis, you must be on the wrong shit. Hold on, let me wipe my glasses. Hold on. Did you say cool off? You on fire? Yeah, we gonna keep the fire going. Where's the gasoline? We all like.
At least you say Tanner, right? Well, it's exploding like a firework.
I want to see a strong push. I'm looking for a strong push here. I want a strong push through that pivot. I want to see us break out and keep running. That's what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for a long up here. Why? Because we got a lot of stuff above us that can possibly act as a nice little magnet. So if we don't get it, we don't get it. But I'm waiting. As Steve would say, I'm anticipating. You know what I'm saying? That 21 EMA is coming up closer and closer to the VWAP as well. I'll be getting off at 11:10. If it don't happen by 11:10, I'm gone. Don't laugh at me, Silk.
If it does happen by 11:10, we'll stick around to 11:30 just to make sure.
No. I gotta go eat, everything like that. Mentally prepare for my trainer to destroy my body today. So, no. I am not staying until 11:30. 11:10, that's my cutoff. 11:10 is my cutoff. Hey, Warrior, good job, bro. 8:22 is a solid day.
I hear 11:11.
Nice.
Nice.
And fancy.
Yep, just waiting. We're sitting right above this VWAP right now, but we need some momentum. I need momentum. Watch, as soon as I get off at 11:10, the market's going to move so good for you guys. Y'all going to laugh at me tomorrow. Be like, bro, as soon as you got off, the market was just waterfall and rocket shipping. It was amazing. And I'll be like, cool.
Hey, but just remember, you're the one that made 10K today.
Yeah, you destroyed today.
Well, actually, technically, I'm green 15K.
Right,
I'm
right.
green 15K.
There you go.
Warrior, self-discipline is definitely important when it comes to trading. And right now, this market's building up for another big manipulation, possibly, or a breakout, something. It's like right now we're going sideways right now, so something big is like, it's just like all the energy's building up right now, and when it pops, it's going to pop.
I guess I would like to see some downside move as well, or for it to catch up.
We want this thing to move, bro.
I feel like we're going to be going up, but that's just me.
You're just showing your bullish bias. What does your heart says that? What do the flags say?
That's what I'm looking at right here. We have the strong pull, the downward direction, so I'm expecting a push up.
He's going into teaching mode. That's fine.
We'll take it.
I just want to get through that pivot. We swiped that pivot with momentum and pushed through. 400s are at play. There's that art. Let's swipe that pivot. I want to swipe that pivot. We're through that whole number, that 300. Come on, Betsy. Figure out I got 2 minutes, and I'm going to be so pissed later when I come back to look at the markets to see that it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Tonight, we got the traders hanging out, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to be vibing. We're talking trading. We're talking life. We're going to talk about how we perform today in the markets and everything in between. We're back below that 300 level. We're right above the VWAP. Honestly, right now with this going sideways, this does not get me excited to take a trade. We do have looking at the 5 minute, we do have selling pressure up here on these previous candles. So we did have selling pressure up here. So makes sense why we're not just ripping right through it how I want to. But something gotta give. I do recommend, with how the markets have been moving recently, to have a stop loss on. So that way you don't lose if you take a bad trade as much. All right, we're through that VWAP. That we got that 21 EMA creeping. We got that 21 EMA creeping. I don't like it. It's down there at 26850. 26850. That 26850 is at play right now. Because that's another magnet. Yeah, let me not. It's 11:10. The move did not happen that I wanted. So let me not click any buttons.
Okay, well, before you go, could you please summarize up your day slowly so we can hear, and go through every trade and critique it, and then you could go.
I'm not going to do that. But wait, there's more. Are we getting ready to get the push that I was waiting for? At 11:11, there's the there's the pivot tap. Oh, Nellies, hold up, boys. Hold my water. Ooh, we getting close. We're right here at the high of the 15-minute range. We're at the high of the 15-minute range right now. If the bulls push, I may jump. Oh, nope. They're not holding it. I want to stay above that pivot. I want to stay above that pivot. I want that pivot to act as support for the market to take us higher. Listen here, hurry up. I gotta go make a protein shake. We're back below this pivot. Not liking that. The bulls need to let that pivot act as support to hold the market up. If we're going to go higher here. Right back at the pivot right there. Tap that high of the 15-minute range as well. Come on, Betsy. I need my protein shake. This is crazy right now.
I'm to feed the man.
Gotta feed the machine.
It would be really nice to see NQ like go ahead and like catch back up because both ES and NQ kind of have to catch up a pretty good amount. Actually, ES is already caught up. NQ is the only one that's lagging behind.
But we're trading the most delayed system.
Yeah, exactly. The ES had medium strength today, and then the Dow actually was the strongest the correlated asset to trade today, which it's actually almost all the way up there at Asia highs.
All right, this thing's playing around. So get ready. I'm about to get off here. So when I get off, the move should happen. You're welcome. Like, thank me tonight at the Traders Hangout for what I'm getting ready to do for y'all now. All right.
I'm gonna do the CPI method when Duane gets off. So like the second he gets off, I'm gonna set a long and a stop, a long and a short, and whichever one gets filled, we're just gonna hold.
Do what you gotta do. To me, right here, look at that. That's a little bullish style look for me, for my eyes. But I don't know nothing no more. I'm done. Gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. Market makers, nothing but love like always, gentlemen. It's always fun with y'all. Hopefully I see some of y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout. If not, I will catch y'all in the morning. YouTube, it's been a pleasure as well. Go ahead, make your money. Looks like we may push right here. I gotta get off the charts before I start clicking. So have a good one, boys.
He's getting off. It's pumping.
I'm gone, BP. I'm gone.
Bye, y'all. Have a good day.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
You too.
YouTube, I'll catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Be blessed, stay safe, and do not risk it for the biscuit. Have a great rest of your day, family.